Hey there, HISD. Today we're taking you inside Wisdom High's welding class. Some of our principals are being recognized in the community, plus some important reminders for our high schoolers. One is about some help they can get this weekend for their advanced classes, and the other is about applying to college for free. It is Friday, October 17. Before we start, don't forget you can skip around to any story in the chapters right below. So all this week we shared stories with you from Wisdom High School, a now B-rated school where students and teachers are beaming with pride and progress. The school has a strong and growing fine arts program, including a band and dance team, the Starlets. And students at Wisdom are also graduating with certifications thanks to the school's robust career and technical education, or CTE program. And one of those classes we got to see firsthand was a welding class. The students showed us some really cool things they made, like a fully functional barbecue pit, benches, chairs, doors, and even a birdhouse, all made from metal. Again, students get credit hours toward their certification in these programs. And you can get a closer look for yourself by checking out this brand new story that we just uploaded to the channel. And all the stories we did this week are in this playlist on the channel. It's titled Wisdom High School. And while you're on the playlist page, check out the other campuses we've covered so far this year. And next week, we're heading to Clifton Middle School, home of the Cougars. Clifton is now a B-rated campus and building on that success and momentum. Principal Perez tells us her school is all about high-quality instruction, but in a joyous manner that celebrates the success of her students and staff. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss those stories next week. Well, lots of big games and matchups are happening tonight and into this weekend. Now, in volleyball, Bel Air is taking on Heights tonight at Butler. Then on the gridiron, Lamar is taking on Heights at Del Mar. Kickoff is at 7 p.m. And then tomorrow, Kashmir takes on Washington again at Del Mar, and kickoff for that one is at 6 p.m. Athletic Director Andre Walker stopped by to talk about those games and much more, including some cross-country meets.
People that don't know what cross-country is,
Right.
what is cross-country?
So look, we run our cross-country meets at North Forest. There's a hill out there that's like none other, right? It's a very difficult hill, very difficult course, but it prepares our kids for regionals and our middle school kids for high school. And so the course prepares them for all the way, hopefully making it to regionals and to state as well.
You can check out that full conversation with our athletic director. It's up on Facebook, Instagram, and our YouTube channel. And best of luck to all of our student athletes. Students in grades 9 through 12, if you're enrolled in advanced courses and need some help, this is for you. Tomorrow, the district is hosting its first Saturday Academy of the school year at Heights High School from 9 a.m. until noon. This is open to all high school students who are taking advanced courses like AP, IB, and on-ramps. You'll get a chance to review English, math, science, history, and even take part in college prep sessions. And speaking of college, another reminder that right now you can enroll to any Texas public college or university without having to pay an application fee. It's part of Free College Application Week, but you need to act fast and submit your application before Sunday at midnight. Go to applytexas.org for more. In other news, big thanks to La Voz de Denver Harbor for spotlighting our new school leaders in their latest October issue. Shout out to Principals Jeanette Cortez of Pew Elementary, Dr. Kenesha Spears Richardson of McReynolds Middle School, and Jaime Moretti of Raul C. Martinez Elementary. We appreciate La Voz for celebrating and highlighting the school leaders who are guiding our students and families with heart and dedication.
One of my dreams since I started to teach.
And it's National Principals Month, and Region 4 just dropped a great video highlighting awesome school leaders, including our very own Chastity Caesar from Patrick Henry Middle School, HISD's Middle School Principal of the Year. Huge thanks and shout out to all of those principals out there making a difference each and every day. Well, that does it for us today on HISD Now. We hope you have a good weekend, and we'll see you next week right here. Have a good one.